Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a polygonal puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word, and where the shape of the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So the repeated letters go in those positions, 1, 3 and 8, and everything else is different. So it feels like that's going to be an S for something like systems, although that's not long enough, or an E for something like elevate, although of course that's also not long enough. Elective is a word. It's not common enough to be correct, I don't think, but at least let's go for it because it'll give me some more information. Oh, and what we have learned is that it's not even a triple E. Right, so is it something like that? Systems. Oh, we're one letter short. So is there anything similar to that that would work? Oh, it could just be a sus beginning. It can't be suspects because we just ruled out the C, and it can't be suspends because we have to use the T. But I feel like we might be close. Very sus looking, this word. What can it be if it's not suspects? Suspects, suspects. I don't think anything else can go in that position, can it? Which is very annoying. So I might just have to go for suspects again, even though I know it's not correct. It's going to give me some information. Oh, we don't even have any S's, so I really do not know what that tripled letter is, in case that wasn't obvious by now. Let's try R's, because an RE, it probably would be an OR ending. So the T would have to go there, because it's not going to come straight after this R. And we have to use a U somewhere. Reruntor is clearly not a word. Oops. How about if it was a D instead? Deducted almost worked, except we can't use the C, and we can't reuse the E. It really does feel like maybe an ED ending or something like that, but then what would that second letter be? And similarly, if it's a tripled R, what's the second letter going to be? I don't know is the problem. Or it could be, I was going to say memoriam or something like that, because it definitely... Oh, it can't even be an IUM ending anymore. Memo something. I suppose that's a probable, that's a possibility rather. I don't know what I was trying to say there. It could be a compound word. Momentum. That's what it's going to be. Lost momentum for a bit in the middle there, but I did work it out in the end. That's polygonal in 3. Quite a difficult one. M is really not the first letter you think of to be a tripled letter. There were 50 words that matched that pattern, so getting it in 3. Obviously, elective ruled out more than just one option, so I was less than 49 options remaining after that. Because it also couldn't have been suspects, for example. But so it does get easier if you get more guesses. But either way, very happy to get that in 3. That's for polygonal. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.